What's up, you guys? I'm Jasper and this is JJ Vids. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be going over paint colors that were offered on the first generation Lexus IS300. And we're talking model years 2001 through 2005. And we're going to be going over all the paint colors offered on this car, from the very common colors to the absolute most rare colors and everything in between. And we have a lot to go over in today's video because there's a lot of colors to go over, so stay tuned. So we're going to start off with the most common colors offered on the Lexus IS300 throughout all the model years. And that really breaks down to three colors. And the first of which is going to be the Millennium Silver Metallic. The second color is going to be the Gray Graphite Pearl. And the third color is going to be the Black Onyx. And these are all neutral colors, and all these colors are by far the most common to find on any Lexus IS300 throughout the whole production run. We're going to go into the 2001 specific model year colors, and we have four colors on this list that were only offered for the 2001 model year. The first one is the Auburn Sky Pearl, which is a fiery orange type of color, only able to find them on 2001 sedans. Same thing goes for the Diamond White Pearl, which is a pearlescent white that was also only offered on the 2001 sedans. Really rare color, really clean color as well. The third color on our list is Spectra Blue Mica, and the fourth color on our list is going to be by far the most rare for the 2001 model year, and that is Imperial Jade Mica, and that is a lighter green shade of paint that was only offered on the 2001 model year sedans, and it is an extremely rare color to find. Through the research that I've done, only 5% of cars produced in the model year 2001 were in this Imperial Jade Mica green color, so that makes this green by far the most rare for the 2001 model year colors. Looking at the 2002 through 2005 model year colors, there were a few repeat colors that were offered in a few different shades. For example, we have 3 different shades of blue, 2 different shades of white, and 2 different shades of green offered throughout different model years between 2002 and 2005. And I'm going to break down all these shades for you right now. We're going to start off with the 3 separate shades of blue. Starting off with what I already mentioned, the Spectra Blue Mica, which is the 2001 only color. The Intenza Blue Pearl, offered through model years 2002 and 2003. And the Indigo Ink Pearl, which is a much darker blue, which was offered between the model years 2004 and 2005. Then for the whites, we have the already mentioned Diamond Pearl White from the 2001 only model year. And then we have the Crystal White, which was offered through 2002 all the way through 2005. And this was a much more flat white, and it's a much more common white than the Diamond Pearl White that I mentioned before. But I will say, overall, white is a pretty rare color to find any IS300 sedan or Sportcross in. And then the 2 different green colors we have on the list is the already mentioned 2001 only color, which is the Imperial Jade Mica, the very rare green color, which is the more light green. And then we have the 2002 through 2005 Electric Green Mica, which is also a pretty rare color to find, but it's a little bit more of a dark color compared to the 2001 Imperial Jade Mica green. And then we have our SportDesign only colors. And what these are is that these colors are offered on the SportDesign trim, which was a special trim for the IS300 that was offered between the model years 2003 and 2004. And those colors are Thundercloud Metallic Gray and Alabaster Metallic. There's a few other colors that I haven't mentioned yet through the 2002 through 2005 model years, and those colors include Solar Yellow, Absolute Red, and Cibola Gold. And all those colors are pretty much going to be the rarest colors to find on any Lexus IS300 sedan. But there's a few colors in particular that are extremely rare to find for IS300 Sportcross wagons, and I'm going to go into those right now. The rarest color to find for a Sportcross by far is Cibola Gold. I've only seen one picture of a Cibola Gold wagon in the East Coast. The second rarest color to find on the wagon, I've actually seen one in person, and that's a Solar Yellow wagon. They only made 64 of those in the United States. And then the third rarest, in my opinion, is going to be the Absolute Red, because they're very rare to find in the wagon format. So now taking a look at my 2002 Lexus IS300 Sportcross and what color that my car is spec'd with. And my car is spec'd with the previously mentioned uncommon color, the graphite gray pearl. And if we take a look at this color a little closer, maybe on the side that it's a little bit more sunny, we could see that the pearl on this paint is absolutely beautiful. And that's one thing I wanted to mention about Lexus paints in general, is that Lexus does not mess around when it comes to painting their cars. Lexus is the higher end version of a Toyota. Therefore, all the stuff that they do while building these cars, most of them are built in Japan. I know this car for sure is built in Japan, but the point is that they always take an extreme amount of effort in their quality control when building these cars, and the paint is not an exception for that. And this is a 20-year-old paint job on this car that has been parked outside all of its life in salty beach conditions. And just taking a look at this, I mean, it still looks really, really good. If this was like a regular Toyota Corolla or any lower end car, I guarantee you the clear coat would already be going on this. But because it's a Lexus, you know, we get better paint with it and we just get an overall better car, which is why I'm making this video on the Lexus IS300 paint colors and on this platform in general, because I really like these cars and the quality that goes into them. But with that being said, I think that's a pretty good place to leave off today's video, because I was able to show you guys all the paint colors that are offered through 2001 and 2005 for the Lexus IS300 and IS300 Sportcross, going from the common colors all the way to the rare colors and all the sub colors in between that may not be so rare. But with that being said, thank you everyone for watching today's video. Still doing the $50 O'Reilly's gift card giveaway. If you guys want to sign up for that, take a look at the description below for directions. But with that being said, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you for watching. Cheers.